The civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation for Beauregard Law, beginning at 5:36 p.m. and ending at 8:06 p.m. The Beauregard Parish Unified Command Group has issued a voluntary evacuation order for Beauregard Parish residents ahead of Hurricane Delta. This is based upon the National Weather Service's forecast and with consideration of the compromised infrastructure parishwide from Hurricane Laura. Forecasters have expressed concern about Southwest Louisiana residents living in homes damaged by Hurricane Laura. Please consider this when making your plans. Officials are continuing to monitor the forecast and a mandatory evacuation is possible. Please note there will be no shelter in Beauregard Parish. State officials have announced that the Alexandria MegaShelter at 8125 HWI 71 South, Alexandria, is open to residents seeking shelter. Residents wanting to evacuate can go on their own to the shelter starting today, October 7th. If you would like to evacuate and can do so on your own, voluntary evacuation ahead of Hurricane Delta.